Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. Amitabh Chaudhary reappointed as MD and CEO of Axis Bank, whereas the headquarters of Axis Bank is at Mumbai. Here, the RBI has approved the reappointment of Amitabh Chaudhary as the managing director and the chief executive officer of the Axis Bank, and he is going to serve as MD and CEO of Axis Bank for the next 3 years. And whereas the headquarters of Axis Bank is in Mumbai and it is founded in the year 1993, whereas the tagline of Axis Bank is "Badhti ka naam Zindagi." Next one, Rahul Dravid appointed as Team India head coach. Here the now the former Indian batsman Rahul Dravid has been appointed as the Team India's head coach, and he will be succeeding Ravi Shastri. Uh, as per the report, the BCCI President Saurabh Ganguly and the Honorary Secretary of BCCI Jay Shah has appointed Dravid as a Team India's head coach, whereas the bowling coach is Paras Hambrev, and the full form of BCCI is Board of Control for Cricket in India, whereas the president of BCCI is Saurabh Ganguly and the secretary is Jay Shah. Whereas the Dravid is also known as the wall of Indian cricket. Next one, Niti Aayog joins hands with ISRO to launch Geospatial Energy Map. Here, the full form of Niti is National Institution for Transforming India. Has joined with ISRO to launch the Geospatial Energy Map, which will provide a holistic picture of all energy resources of the country. Whereas this map has been developed by the Niti Aayog in collaboration with ISRO and the Energy Ministries of Government of India, and this map will help to identify and locate all the primary and the secondary sources of energy and the transportation networks to provide a comprehensive view of energy production and distribution in the country, which will and this will make further help in planning and making investment decisions. Whereas the chairperson of Niti Aayog is Narendra Modi and the CEO is Amitabh Kant. It is headquartered in New Delhi, which is founded in the year 2015. Next one, RBI imposes rupees 1 crore penalty on State Bank of India, whereas the India's largest public lender, that is State Bank of India, on State Bank of India, RBI has imposed monetary penalty of rupees 1 crore, and this penalty has been imposed for non-compliance with the directions contained in the RBI Directions 2016. Whereas the chairperson of SBI is Dinesh Kumar Kara, and it is headquartered in Mumbai, which is founded in the year 1955. Next one, China launched its first solar exploration satellites through Long March 2D rocket, and that satellite was named as Xie. Where the China it has successfully launched its first solar exploration satellite into space, and it named the satellite as Zile, where the Zihe is the goddess of the sun who created the calendar in the ancient Chinese mythology. Whereas this satellite has been developed by the China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. The capital of China is Beijing and the currency is renminbi, whereas the president is Xi Jinping. Next one, NASA launches Lucy mission to study the Jupiter Trojan asteroids. The US Space Agency NASA has launched its first of its kind mission called Lucy mission to study the Jupiter's Trojan asteroids. Whereas this mission life of Lucy is 12 years, during which the spacecraft will fly by a total of 8 ancient asteroids to study about the solar system evolution. And the full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Whereas this Lucy probe will launch. It is the NASA's first single spacecraft mission in history to explore so many different asteroids. And the administration of NASA is Bill Nelson, whereas it is headquartered in Washington DC, and it is founded in the year 1958. Next one. Russian team returns to Earth after filming first movie in space. The Russian film crew has back on Earth after wrapping up the scenes for the first movie shot in space. Whereas it has made in the ISS, that is International Space Station, and this movie has been its own kind of space race with Tom Cruise, where he is apparently part of Hollywood filming in space project which involving the NASA and the Elon Musk SpaceX. Whereas this ISS launch date is on 20th November of 1998. Next one. The ICC and UNICEF to partner for mental well-being of children and adolescents. In the upcoming 2021 Men's T20 World Cup, which is going to be held in UAE and Oman, the ICC, that is the International Cricket Council, and the United Nations Children's Fund, as they would partner to help break the stigma around the mental health by raising awareness about the issues among the children and the adolescents. And the main aim of this partner to raise awareness of the mental health and well-being through the through the upcoming Men's T20 World Cup 2021. Yeah, the full form of ICC is International Cricket Council, and the chairman of ICC is Greg Barclay, which is headquartered in Dubai, UAE. It is founded in the year 1909. Whereas the UNICEF, full form of UNICEF is United Nations Children's Fund, and the executive director of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. Whereas it is headquartered in New York, and it is founded in the year 1946. Next one. India's Vidyut Mohan wins Prince William's inaugural Earthshot Prize, which is also known as Eco Oscar Award. Here, the India's Vidyut Mohan, he is a 17-year-old entrepreneur who won the Earthshot Prize among the 5 global winners in the Williams inaugural award. And this award is given to honor the peoples trying to save the planet. Whereas the Vidyut has been awarded in the Clean Our Air category for his technology called Takachar, where this technology is a small and portable device that uses crop residue to convert it into bioproducts like fuel and fertilizers to reduce smoke emission and combat air pollution. And each of the 5 winners will receive a 12 million euros for their projects. Next one. Indian Army wins gold medal in the exercise Cambrian Patrol 2021. Yeah, the A team from the 5th Battalion of Gorkha Rifles representing the Indian Army has won the gold medal at the prestigious Cambrian Patrol exercise, which was held in the United Kingdom, that is UK. And the Indian Army team has received a rich accolades from all the judges, where they took the where this team took part in the event and competed with a total of 96 teams, which includes the 17 international teams representing special forces and prestigious regiments from different parts of the world. Whereas this exercise was held in the Wales in the United Kingdom, and it is considered as the ultimate test of human endurance and the team spirit. Whereas it is sometimes also referred as the Olympics of military patrolling among the militaries of the world. And in this exercise, out of 96 participating team, only 3 international patrols were awarded a gold medal this year. And in that, the Indian Army, the team of the 5th Battalion of the Gorkha Rifles, which represents the Indian Army, has won the gold medal in this exercise. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.